Hi guys! Magandang umaga! Bibigay ko po ngayon sa inyo ang ikalawang lesson from Gregg Shorthand Writing. Kahapon na i-discuss ko na din po yung sa lesson number 1 ko, yung letter A, letter E, letter B, letter P, and T, and D. So ngayon naman po, ibibigay ko sa lesson 2 yung letter S, letter F, and letter V. Sana magustuhan nyo po. Thank you. Okay, so let's proceed for lesson number 2. Letter S, letter F, and letter V. So for letter S, it is just like a comma shape. It is a tiny downward curve. So you write it like this. Okay. Then for letter F, it is longer than the letter S. Okay, like that. You write it from the top to down. Then for letter V, occupy the full height of your space of your paper. Okay, like that. So look at the difference. Small, medium, large. Okay. So let's proceed to an example. From the word save. Okay, from the word save, it is a silent E. So that's why you need to write the letter S, the letter A, and the letter F. So, as I said, letter S is represented by a short downward curve. So, S, A, F. Save. So, look at the difference, ha? Okay, this is for letter S, a tiny curve. Then, occupy the half space of your paper for the letter F. So, that is save. Okay, next. Face. Okay. From the word face, letter E is a silent letter or silent sounds. So, face, F, A, and S. So you write F, A, S. You look at the difference. Next, safest. So S, A, F, S. So S, A, F, S. Okay? So, please look at the difference of the three letters. So, can you please practice that in your paper? The letter S, the letter A, the letter F, the F, A, S, and then S, A, F, S. Okay. So, that's the end for the lesson number 2. So, meron na tayong A, E, B, P, T, D for lesson 1. Then, ngayon naman sa lesson 2, S, F, and V. O, sana nagustuhan niyo po ang aking lesson ngayong araw na to and makapag-subscribe po kayo para sa pagpatuloy na ating discussion. Kung may mga katanungan naman po, pwede naman po kayo magtanong sa baba. Salamat po!